Hey peoples, how's your day? Today we're diving into the unboxing of the Ajazz AK820 mechanical keyboard. First thing first, the box looks great with black and white color and with red accent in the text AK820. Now let's see what's inside. Look at this beauty, the Ajazz AK820. The design, the colors, it looks so good for me. The build quality just good, with a plastic frame, PBT Keycaps black, and also had 75% layout. What we got inside the box? We've got a keycaps puller, USB cable, and the manual book. And that's it all we've got. The Ajazz AK820 is a true game changer. It is absolutely fantastic, the style and the price just pretty good. Alright peoples, give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed the unboxings, and until next time.